Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Sennheiser headphones with your MacBook. So first of all, you have to power on your headphones by finding this button. First you have to find this button and then power on headphones by holding this button. Keep holding, and right now you can release when it's blinking. So in the next step, we just have to go to the system settings, open the Bluetooth that is located on the left side, and then take a look for the nearby devices. Just wait until your headphones appears, and then select them from the list. That's the Sennheiser HD 250 Bluetooth, and we are connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.